Good morning, Internet! Welcome back to another episode. Here I am on the R1300 GS Adventure. And today, we are heading to a mate's place, where we're then going to go and do a little bit of trail riding. Easy trail. Nothing too difficult. Wanted to test the adventure out on the trails. Now this bike has the Chigee adventure tyres on, so they're pretty street biased, these tyres, so it's not going to be anything insane today. But I think there's quite a bit of sand involved, and oh, this road's quite tasty, isn't it? Scrumptious. I saw a moose not long ago. Unfortunately, I didn't get it on camera, but I saw a moose. And just earlier this week, I saw bears. Oh my god. Again, didn't get it on camera, but I saw mama bear and baby bear. And, yep, it didn't ease my thoughts about bears. I thought, ooh, now I've seen them, there must be more about. But anyway, this morning I saw a moose on the ride out here. It's been about an hour and a bit riding, and I've still got 24 kilometers to go. So my mate lives a long way away. What are you doing living this far away, Mihkel? Bloody hell. Anyway, today we're riding the GS Adventure. Gonna have a little crack at it, have a bit of fun, couple of roads, couple of dirt roads, maybe some sandy sections. Okay, anyway, we'll catch us there. All right, so I have taken off the boxes. Oh, I need to put this on something. I need to do the tyre pressure indicator thing. Anyway, I'll figure that out in a moment. It's just because I haven't turned the tyre pressure sensor off yet, and so I got this red flashing light because I lowered my tyre pressure a bit so that the bike would handle a bit better off-road. Okay, and I'm feeling it. I'm feeling that tyre pressure is lower. It's good. But we got Mihkel on his little Stark bag. Naturally the best thing to be chasing on the rhinoceros. Oh, and I wanted to change this, didn't I? Excuse me. No, go away. He's turning. That one. Yeah?
Let's go here first.
Yeah?
So, because we still have our stamina and our strength, there
Yeah?
must be one or two like muddy sections.
Okay, 1 second.
Like really muddy.
Let me just, I need to get my tyre pressure sensor. I lowered my tyre pressure, so I just forget where it is. Vehicle settings. Riding mode. Alarm system. No, that's for actual alarm. Lock when ignition. RDC.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
What is RDC then?
Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, that's off now.
Okay, cool. As I said, I haven't been here this year, but
So it's muddy and gross.
it's probably not muddy at all.
Oh, now I can turn. Good thing is I know this bike, or I know the operating system mostly. Oh, but things are different on it. Like the ergonomics of it are a little bit different. Oh, the tyres are a bit different. What's up?
That's actually bear poo, if you want to know.
Oh, was it?
And this is the place when I got stuck with F900.
Okay.
Like I was like super tired. I tried to get it out there before, like, okay, why has someone like been here in barefoot? We will have to repair it. So, you probably...
Thanks for telling me.
Because you have this rhino making the noise.
He's trying to scare me, I know it. He always does this. Oh, there's bears, there's bears. There's no bears, although I have literally seen one just last week, as I was telling to you guys before. What are you doing to me? What's this?
This is the place where I got stuck.
Okay.
I came from the other side.
How about...
I can go from there.
Yeah, how about you go through it and I'll turn around? I mean, you're going to be helping. Bloody hell. Easy. Like, that would be easy if I had the proper tyres. It's just I've got pretty much street tyres on. Oh. Oh. The big girl. And just remember, guys, I ain't no Adam Riemann. What's he doing to me? This kid. Hey?
This is softer.
Yeah. I'm kind of like, if I go in there, I'm just going to bog down into it. Bloody hell, Mihkel, what are you doing?
I said let's do this section first because we have our energy. Like, this is not good, I think.
Yeah. I don't have the tyres for it. It's just going to slip. We might have to, but now I'm fucking worried about that last bit.
But this is the only section here. If you come like really, let's say, if you come from here, I will like push you from here.
Look at that. This bike is heavy, dude. Yeah. It's gonna sink.
A little bit too much, maybe.
Yeah.
I don't know. Like, what do you...
I said sand, Mihkel.
You don't have a reverse.
No reverse on this thing. I wish. Okay. Can you help me pull?
Pull it over there, right?
Yeah, pretty much. Okay.
But the zippy is like, okay, sure, let's go over. Okay. That's a ball. Okay.
I mean, if I had different tyres, I would try it. Okay.
You have the tank also full.
Not full, but probably 22 litres or something. Now I'm not sure about getting back through this. I almost didn't make it the first time. Oh man, look at that. Oh, okay, there's hard ground underneath. I just need a bit of pace. Bit of pace and commitment. There's some hard ground there, so I think I can make it.
Where?
Maybe in that rut.
Left left one?
Yeah, I made it down to hard ground, so I'll give it a go. Bit of pace.
Up the hill, you know, right?
I'll try. Ah. Or not. Uh-oh. Bloody hell. Yeah. Oi, oi, oi. Oh. Hang on, hang on. Just a little bit, yeah? Okay. Wait.
Rhino!
Get a rhino, they said. It would be fun. There's just no grip with the tyres. If I had my Midas tyres on, I think it would have pushed me through.
And this is like a step up.
Yeah.
That's a shitty thing. It would, if it would be continuously like going up.
Yeah.
Because you had already the speed.
Oi! Starkey down. Oh, Mihkel.
I promised no mud.
Yeah, what the hell?
But this is actually not mud, it's just wet ground.
All good? Yeah. I'm not all good. Someone led me into a mud pit.
You want some help?
Slow though. So I can
Put some pudding. Breathe.
whoa.
So this is a rental, right?
Sort of. Okay, hang on. I'll straighten that out. Oh. Yep.
So it's a brand new demo bike.
What do you reckon? Any hard ground or soft? I wonder if we use those in here, or what do you think? Or do you reckon I can get up through there? But like, where's this water coming from? There should be even more soft ground up here, no? Yeah, like right here, that's deadly. I can't get through that bit. Oh, I'm going to turn these off for a bit while I figure it out.
You want to try the middle?
Yeah, like if we fill it up completely with all those logs.
Can't get worse, right?
We can now that you said that.
We're helping our community so they can go to the... So they can start using this road.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah.
I'm getting all geared up because I'm gonna make it.
You're gonna make it?
I'm gonna make it. I'm not gonna go over the bars.
I'm gonna leave you here if you're gonna get stuck now.
Okay. Oh! Oh, thank you! Oh, bloody hell. Thank God. I'm so glad I'm not stuck there. Okay, time for your little zip zap to come across. It'll just float. Oh, bloody hell. I started slipping at first. I'm like, oh shit. Then went.
The bridge was like a wave. But just enough wood.
Just enough. It was perfect. I'm turning around if I see mud next time, just so you know. I will not follow you. These are not the tyres for it.
Do you think I had this secret plan when I was like, I'm gonna take the light bike?
I think so. No drama whatsoever.
That's not the good content. We need to build like this.
Yeah, we need to build suspense.
But they said like we're riding sand.
This is what I want to ride.
This is sand.
Not that bull.
It's wet sand.
Wet sand. Okay. It's just these tyres. If I had my Enduro XTs, I probably would have pushed through that first time and it would have been fine. But these tyres are just slick and they give me no push. Anyway, I've said that once before, like, these tyres are great when everything's dry. As soon as it gets wet and slippery, they're done. So if you don't plan on following a guy like Mihkel on his little zip-zap bloody bike, then you'll be alright. You'll have no issues. Where's this? Oh, dusty. See, like this stuff, no worries. Am I in? Yeah, my suspension's up, that's good. The rhinoceros is chasing this little hare. Although the hare is waiting up for me, taunting. Feels a little bit different to mine off-road just because of this option 719 kit and the fact that it doesn't have the bar risers in. But otherwise, like the width between your legs is pretty much the same. Oh. Suspension feels the same, although this is the adventure suspension, so it's a little bit taller, which is nice. I wish I had that on my bike. Zippy boy. Hey. Oh, I'm going straight through the mud. No! No! Not a chance! I don't trust you. It's not the log I'm worried about. The mud. Yeah, I'm not covered. You're on your own. This kid, honestly, trying to get me to get bogged again. Turn around. Every now and then I fall apart, and I need you now tonight. No mud! Bloody zippy! What noises do rhinoceroses make? This kid. Yeah, okay. What's this kid doing to me? Bloody hell. Let's see what it's like to pick up. Oh, much the same. There's a branch. Nothing the thingos can't handle. It's very soft here. Oh, Mihkel, what are you doing? Hey? I don't know if I want it anymore. Wow. These tyres just don't want anything to do with grip, do they? Whew. Okay. I think I need to take it easy now. He's having fun. Suspension feels great on this. It's just these tyres limiting me right now. But as you can see, on a trail like this, the tyres are perfectly adequate. I mean, I'm not pushing as hard as I normally would on my bike. That's a little bit down to this not being my bike, and also the tyres. A lot to do with the tyres, really. Okay, this is going to be sandy section. I'm going to do that one. This actually feels really stable in the sand. I was not expecting that, except now. Yeah, wow. I mean, I'm going super slow, but that felt super stable. Bloody hell. Ooh. Little zippy boy is gonna go up. Oh, look at him go. Meanwhile, I almost fall over because I couldn't touch the ground. Nice.
Yes.
You got up there?
Yeah.
Is that the first time you've done it?
Yes, yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice work. Good. I thought these other marks to the right were possibly you,
No.
but not. Okay.
Those are maybe 4x4.
Yeah. Okay.
Coming down drop.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because they didn't switch maybe, so
Mm.
I could try one more time.
Go one more. I'll actually film it. Go. Yeah. Yeah. Hey.
Follow me, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Up. Yeah. Yeah. All the way. I'm not following him. Don't be ridiculous. Look at him go. Easy. We're going to do a sand trail, but I don't think I've got enough battery in my GoPro, which is really unfortunate. I don't know how well I'm going to do. I'm nervous. What did I say about mud? Bloody hell. Luckily I know that one and it's got rocks underneath it. Ooh, I did a jump. I'm amazing. Okay, we're coming up to sand now. I'm nervous. Okay, kind of feels like my bike in sand. Oh, this is the part that I'm not. Okay, well, while I've got you here, let's do it. Okay. Oi, foot slipped off the foot peg. We made it. Oi.
More compact.
No, don't say that. It was the softest it's ever been. It was the softest it's ever been. Incredibly difficult riding. No, it was alright. I made it. It was good. Oh, I was nervous about that though. And then as I started hitting it, it felt really familiar. So I was like, okay, I understand what's happening now. But you can definitely notice that extra 20 kilos. Plus then the tank is almost like, if it was on my bike, it would be a full tank. But on this, it's third. Yeah. Anyway. Okay, I took a couple of photos. Time to go back now. These tyres just give no bloody traction. Look at this kid. Hey, here I am struggling and he's going zip-zapping about. Okay, time to get serious. We got some sand. Yeah, he's not wrong. It's pretty compact. I mean, it's still soft. It'll still catch you out, but it's very friendly compact today. Woo. The main thing is a bit of pace. A bit of pace always helps you in sand. It's not nice when the trees are trying to get you. Oh, there we go, we're through. Did you see it? Back to a road.
Nice in the road, right?
Yeah. That was a good one. It wasn't bad. Luckily for you. All right, what's the deal?
Now we're gonna go home.
Okay. All right, lads, ladies and gents. That's going to be the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace, guys.